Hey everyone, welcome to our video. In today's video, we're going to uncover the mystery of opening a Miele vacuum cleaner. Knowing how to access the inner workings of your vacuum is essential for proper maintenance and troubleshooting. So, let's dive in. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Before we begin, ensure that your Miele vacuum cleaner is turned off and unplugged for safety purposes. Let's go through the step-by-step process of opening your Miele vacuum cleaner. Preparing for maintenance. Start by finding a clean and flat surface, like a table or floor mat, to work on. This will provide a stable area for disassembling your Miele vacuum cleaner. Keep any necessary tools handy, such as a screwdriver or pliers, depending on your specific Miele model. Accessing the filters. Most Miele vacuum cleaners have filters that require regular cleaning or replacement. To access the filters, locate the filter compartment, usually located at the front or back of the vacuum cleaner. Some models may have a dedicated filter compartment cover that needs to be removed. Removing the filter compartment cover. Use a screwdriver or the designated tool provided with your Miele vacuum cleaner to remove the screws or fasteners holding the filter compartment cover in place. Gently lift off the cover to reveal the filters housed inside. Cleaning or replacing the filters. Once the filters are accessible, carefully remove them from the compartment. Depending on the type of filter, you can either clean it by tapping off the accumulated dust or wash it under lukewarm water. Be sure to let the filters dry completely before reinserting them. If the filters are worn out or damaged, it's recommended to replace them with genuine Miele filters. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.